Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Wanted to do a video about Sugarmade. It's another MJ company. If you follow my channel, know that I've covered quite a few different MJ companies, as well as a lot of penny stocks here lately. And this is the best of both worlds. Not only is it MJ, but it's also, as you can see, a penny. Ticker is SGMD. News breaks, Sugarmade Incorporated secures 70% stake in Nug Avenue, enters burgeoning Los Angeles MJ delivery market. So some are considering it the DoorDash for MJ. So it's kind of interesting. An innovator in the dynamic California MJ scene today announced that it's launching a new business initiative for the licensed delivery of MJ products to consumers in the Los Angeles metropolitan area through a definitive agreement that closed on February 8th, 2021. So just a couple days ago, the company has acquired a 70% stake in the Lenwood, California operations of Nug Avenue, a California corporation. We strongly believe the LA delivery market is the prime spot for expansion of our business, said Sugarmade. So very interesting. I can see the definite potential behind this one, especially while we're in lockdown and DoorDash becoming such a thing, deliveries, everything's e-commerce and delivered to the home. So I can kind of see how this could go hand in hand with one another. So California is the world's sixth largest economy, and LA County is by far the most significant driver, with almost 25% of the state's population. The Linwood, California site is optimal as it's located along one of the major distribution freeways, allowing drivers to efficiently reach the more than 15 million consumers that live within a 30-mile radius of the new location. We plan to make a big impact on the LA MJ delivery marketplace. So kind of a cool business. Sugarmade is involved in two main business areas: the supply of consumable products to the quick service restaurant subsector of the restaurant industry, as well as the importing of non-medical personal protection to be distributed to businesses and consumers, and acting as an investor and operator in the disruptive MJ business operations within the growing California marketplace. And their other part of it is Cannabis Newswire, is an informative service that provides access to our news aggregation and syndication servers. And feel free to pause the art or the video and read the rest of that there for yourself. Again, this is on menafn.com, and got some more information here. Sugarmade stock forecast, price, and news. And as you can see, like I said, it's just at a penny. So it supplies products to quick service restaurants, as well as imports, distributes, and markets hydroponic supplies to various agricultural sectors. If you want a really good hydroponic stock, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, but I've made a couple videos on GRWG, that's Grow Generation. Take a look at my library and you'll find that that's been an excellent growth stock in the hydroponics, as well as Village Family Farms. I've also done that one. Ticker on that is VFF. The company also produces and wholesales custom printed and generic supplies such as double poly paper cups for cold storage and disposable clear and plastic cold cups and paper coffee cups, yogurt cups, ice cream, basically any type of a cup for a restaurant. It was founded in 2009, based in Monrovia, California. Again, this is over the counter, so you can't buy this on Robinhood. Sorry, if you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade, For over-the-counter, I recommend Fidelity. You can buy it through TD Ameritrade, but you're going to be paying a commission through TD for the over-the-counter stocks. This is their actual website for Sugarmade. We believe in the combined power of empathy, analytics, and creativity. And they have kind of a different approach to leverage our portfolio's data to quickly and intuitively understand what we need to focus on creating today to satisfy customers tomorrow, improving efficiency, profit margins, and top-line sales. And I'll let you pause and read the rest there for yourself. This is actually on their website, sugarmade.com. We don't just analyze disruptive forces in the marketplace. We collaborate with real people in real time to identify the emerging desires and behaviors poised to disrupt the inspire next. And this is another kind of a segment of their business. The Bud Cars is an online shopping experience that is designed to provide new customers with an easy way to discover and order MJ products within minutes. So again, as I said on the video just yesterday, a lot of these companies are going towards e-commerce, which is very smart to be able to order the products online. I believe YCBD, the CBD med, also you can order online. I just did a video about that last night. Go ahead and take a look at that one in the library. It was a pretty interesting business in itself. Back to Sugarmade, they have 260 plus MJ products, 40 plus premium award-winning brands. The more you buy, the more you save. So that's what we like to hear. Best pricing options, and so look, I like the looks of the website, and this orange creamsicle is kind of interesting. So I haven't got to totally dive into the website, but it looks like they cover quite a few different products. So as I said, this is just on sugarmade.com. They also issued a letter to shareholders on verticalization, expansion, and the path ahead in 2021. And as you can see, this is a little bit older, but it's just about a month or so ago. They are pleased to issue the following letter to shareholders. We would like to express our gratitude for your patience and commitment as we continue to steer Sugarmade into what we hope will be a leadership role in the rapidly growing MJ marketplace as a vertically integrated farm-to-door solution for MJ consumers. So very cool business concept here. They're probably following DoorDash, so that's why they call it the DoorDash of MJ, but very cool business model, and I can see it taking off. So especially if a person, shouldn't say, was having a party or something of that sort and wanted some, extra delivered, you wouldn't have to get in your car and go pick it up. You could just have it delivered. So sorry to say, that's what our society has become, a microwave type of society. I want it now and I want it delivered, and so you got the best of both worlds here. So I can totally see the potential behind this one. So but feel free to pause and read the rest of the article there for yourself. But that one again is on Yahoo Finance. They closed a definitive agreement to acquire a majority stake in Nug Avenue. We kind of went over that. Entering the hyper-growth Los Angeles MJ delivery market. And this is just dated on Friday. An innovator in the dynamic California MJ scene today announces it's launching a new business initiative for the licensed delivery of MJ products to consumers in the Los Angeles metro area. Via a definitive agreement closed on February 8th. The company has acquired a 70% stake in the Linwood, California operations of Nug Avenue, a California corporation. Under the terms of the agreement, Sugarmade has acquired a 70% stake in Nug Avenue for $560,000, allowing the company to recognize 70% of the revenues and profits from Nug Avenue's Linwood delivery service operations. Again, we already covered some of this information, so you can go ahead and pause and read the rest there for yourself, or else you can just find the article on Yahoo Finance. According to the California Department of Tax and Free Administration, the most recently reported quarterly period posted an almost 80% increase in MJ tax compared to the year ago period. So you can see the increase in the products being used. And this is back to Reddit. Again, they consider it the DoorDash of, we'll just say MJ there. So there's a lot of people talking about it here in the last week or so. I was actually going to make a video about this yesterday and got busy on quite a few ETFs. And since MJ was kind of on a run and then kind of dove off a cliff on Thursday and Friday, I thought it'd be a little bit safer play for the people who are still like the MJ products to get into the ETFs. They're a little bit safer play. So I own quite a few ETFs and quite a few just standalone stocks myself, like a Freya, Sundial, and so on. But there's lots of talk here about Sugarmade on Reddit, just like I said in the last couple days. And so I can see a lot of good things coming about with this company. So I'm looking to pick up some shares on it tomorrow myself. I mean, some of the times I'll just throw, 100 shares. It's a penny, so it costs you $1. Sometimes I do a couple hundred, just depends what it's done in the last week. But I mean, if you're out $1, big deal. But you could also make, these can either go up or else they can go down. They're penny stocks. They're that way for a reason. So just be careful with them. Set your stops, set your alerts just to watch them. But lots of talk going on here about the partnership and so on. I'm talking about shorting it here, so kind of interesting. And of course, nothing on tip ranks here, but just wanted to do a video on this one. And like I said, it's only a penny, so you could get quite a few shares if you wanted to. Or again, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's up to you if you want to get into this one. But I can kind of see the potential about it. Of course, I'm optimistic, and a lot of these have been running up. So that's kind of what made me look at it. And not as only is it an MJ, but it's also a penny stock, which I've been talking about both of those here a lot on the channel lately. So those have been the popular subjects and what everybody wants to hear about. So if you haven't hit that like button yet, that would really help me out to hit that, as well as subscribing. And I've had some growth here again, and trying to get up to 500 subscribers by the end of February. I think we can do it. So I think the last time I checked, it was about 425. That changes pretty much by the minute. So again, this is J Money, Following Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.